How do we help make safer, cleaner, and better performing products for everyday use? How do we improve the development of textiles, food packaging, building materials, and more for a sustainable future? Simple. By being the only advanced materials company committed to developing and manufacturing solely PFAS-free, water-based protective coatings. I think the key to the success at DetraPel has been our dedication to improve upon our customers' products and increase their production efficiencies while contributing performance-driven offerings that are still sustainable for people and our planet. As an advanced materials company that develops next-generation protective coatings, we are uniquely positioned to create safer, customized, and strategic solutions for even the most complex challenges.
Today, DetraPel provides an extensive range of innovations for manufacturers in a number of industries. Here at DetraPel, we make barrier coatings. For example, water and stain repellent solutions for the textile industry, oil and grease resistant or OGR barriers, moisture vapor transmission rate or MVTR barriers for food packaging, UV inhibiting technologies, antimicrobial coatings, and much more. Our customers trust our solutions to help them solve their coating needs while achieving their sustainability mandates, all without sacrificing performance. Whether it's eliminating PFAS from landfills or increasing recyclability, DetraPel has the right solution.
We develop and manufacture all our unique products in-house at DetraPel's Research and Development and Manufacturing facility in Massachusetts. Along with our patented and award-winning PFAS-free nanotechnology-based chemistries, DetraPel's technology platform introduces a new way of blending and dispersing invisible non-covalent particles into water-based systems. These unique products and processes help remove cancerous PFAS chemicals with non-toxic, sustainable PFAS-free alternatives that outperform the traditional legacy fluorinated chemistries.
The race to zero PFAS is on now. More and more companies are realizing this importance of switching to PFAS-free solutions, and that's where we come in. Making your company's products last longer without using harmful chemicals is what DetraPel is all about. Sustainability defines who we are, and innovation is the bottom line.
Current manufacturing practices include inefficient multi-step processes, dangerous working conditions, and severe energy loss which affect employee safety, the well-being of their customers, and profitability. We offer our customers safer solutions, but we go even above that thanks to our custom-designed equipment and processes, along with on-site and off-site application engineering and training. At DetraPel, we pride ourselves on using our extensive know-how to foster an approach that is very collaborative and customer-focused in nature. So let us help you revolutionize your brand by accelerating your transition towards using safer solutions today that don't sacrifice the sustainability of tomorrow.